Here's my original van build, my 1992 Ford Econoline on an action van suspension. This video was uploaded on March 13, 2013, 8 years ago. 8 years ago, I was making a bunch of videos about this van. I was trying to make vans great again, as great as they were in the 70s and 80s. I just talked about this van all the time. And now it's March 5th, 2021, and I'm trying to keep vans great. So today I dropped off my van at Weldtec, and shout out to Mike. He messaged me, left me a comment and said, "Hey, your van's on Weldtec's live stream right now." So I jumped on their live stream, and then they uploaded this video right there. I will leave a link to this video. This is at 8 minutes and 52 seconds, and you'll see my comment. So that's pretty cool. Thanks, Mike, for giving me the heads up that my van is live on Weldtec's website. So this was well, it's midnight right now, March 5th. So this was I dropped my van off at 8 in the morning, and it's supposed to be done today around lunchtime. So I'm really looking forward to it. 8 years later, I have another van. Keeping vans great. Right now I'm driving the little munchkin car, the A-Barth. Oh, and then on their live stream, the guy from Weldtec, Jeremy, showed a Mini Cooper. So that's pretty funny. I have a little A-Barth. So I'm at Pilot right now, about to get some food. And it's my dad's birthday on the 8th, so there's some cool shirts and hats at Pilot. I'm just gonna get him a hat or a shirt for his birthday. My dad's a simple guy, so I'm gonna head in right now. Can't see it too well, but here's my little munchkin car. Big time contrast from my van. Last Sunday I stayed at the Palm Springs Pilot. Check out all these parking spaces at this Pilot right here. I don't have to sleep here because I live here, but plenty of spots for van lifers if they're visiting San Diego. Van life, that's a nice van right there. He has a canoe on his van. That's cool. Sweet. Yeah, this parking lot's big. I was gonna stay at the Thousand Palms Pilot, but in my review I said I ended up at the Palm Springs Pilot because the Thousand Palms Pilot did not have many regular car parking spaces. This one has a ton of regular car parking spaces. So yeah, there's a few vans right there too. There you go, Ford Econoline right there. So this is a nice parking spot right here. This is a nice Pilot if you're a van lifer. My favorite one's still Gorman. The Palm Springs Pilot was pretty cool, but it was like right by the street. All the parkings were right by the street. So yeah, if you're sensitive to noise, you're probably not going to sleep well. I did.